What's the meaning of cozy? Cozy. Cozy.
Cozy. Cozy. Cozy refers to a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. It suggests a pleasant and snug atmosphere that evokes a sense of emotional and physical well-being. A cozy environment may be achieved through various means, such as soft lighting, comfortable furniture, warm blankets, and aromatherapy. Cozy spaces can be found in homes, cafes, cottages, and other settings where people seek refuge from the stresses of daily life. Creating a cozy ambience is often seen as an important aspect of self-care and cultivating a positive mindset.